Swachh Bharat had its origin in the Nirmal Gram mission, a mission sadly and badly amiss till Modi's determination led to the birth of Swachh Bharat. The immediate need of being a republic is where the government is doing enough for the people you all have elected. In our own Konkona, we all know how difficult our journey has been since COVID-19 pandemic hit us. We are also aware how we have kept the development tempo ahead of the rest of the places. For that, our government has always been supportive. At the end, I wish to state that I will continue to work for the welfare of my people. I will do that irrespective of what dirt is thrown at me, to stop me from doing good for the people. Moving from an opposition party to ruling party comes with growing pains, but I am ready to face this challenge for the overall welfare of my people. My commitment to serve you is stronger now, and I am always available at your service. Please do approach me for any of your works where you feel I can be helpful. I will stand for you.